Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to start a brand new family tree on Ancestry.com. It's quick and easy. You can open the Ancestry application or go to the browser and log in. Open the Ancestry.com site and log into your account. Then open the Ancestry application and at the below menu, you will see the option called tree. Simply click on the tree. Then you will be asked to enter the basic information for, or first of all create a new tree. Click create a new tree. You will be asked for a basic information for yourself, name, birth date and location. This will be the starting point for your tree. As you can see, I have already created a tree. You can simply create the add button and click add a new tree from the beginning. Then add a family members. Once your tree is created, as you can see, my tree is created and it will ask you to add the family member. Click add father to add your father name and the profile photo, and add mother or add spouse to expand your tree. You can also add siblings and children. After you have done, save and explore. Save each person you add. You can attach photos and documents and notes to make your tree more detailed. Over time, use hints and historical records to grow your tree automatically. And that's it. You have successfully started a new family tree on Ancestry. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more genealogy tips and tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.